Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage in KuCoin. Leverage trading allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of your own capital, amplifying potential gains. However, it also increases potential losses, so understanding the risks is crucial. To begin, simply navigate to the Trade section on the KuCoin platform and select Margin to access the leverage trading interface. This is your first step towards utilizing borrowed funds to enhance your trading strategies. Before placing any leverage trades, you need to set up your margin account. First, enable the margin trading service in your KuCoin account. Next, transfer assets like UST from your main or trading account into your margin account. These funds will serve as collateral. You will also choose between isolated margin, where risk is limited to a single position, or cross-margin, which uses your entire margin balance as collateral. Isolated margin typically offers up to 10 times leverage, while cross-margin offers up to 5 times. Once your margin account is funded, you can borrow additional assets to open a leveraged position. You can choose to go long, betting on a price increase, or short, anticipating a price decrease. KuCoin offers up to 10 times leverage for spot margin trading and up to 100 times for futures contracts on highly liquid pairs. Always implement risk management tools like stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains. Effective risk management is paramount in leverage trading. Keep a close eye on your debt ratio. A forced liquidation occurs if it reaches 97%, selling your assets to cover debts. KuCoin sends email alerts when your debt ratio hits 90%. To prevent liquidation, you can add more margin to your position or repay part of your borrowed funds. After closing your leverage trades, remember to repay all borrowed assets plus any accrued interest promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.